Radiant Neon Amplify is an acid-free, water-based pigmented fluid that has 3D effects when heated. It has a fine-tip applicator for creating dots or lines, and it coordinates with all the Radiant Neon inks. And we also offer black and white. It creates a soft and airy texture which retains its shape over time. The brilliant colors of Radiant Neon Amplify will show up on both light and dark papers. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about some fun facts to use with some different techniques. Amplify will dry when left and unheated. It remains opaque, raised, and glossy, so it can create an embossed-like texture. Also, if you heat Amplify after it has dried, it creates a more uniform puffy texture than when heated wet. So it really has 3 textures in one. Another fun trick is to mix the product before applying. Create your own unique tints, shades, and hues on your craft mat. A fun technique to pair this with is stamping. Using a more solid style stamp, dip it into the Amplify and stamp lightly on paper. The thin coating will still create unique textures when heated. It will create a very fun and unique look. Clean your stamp off sooner rather than later. My last fun tip is that you can colorize Amplify after it's been heated with water-based inks. Think of all the fun projects you could create with this unique product.